in Chinatown. So, mainit today. Ito, naglalakad kami papuntang China. Hop and on namin. Pero, hindi naman namin masyadong nagamit. So, sasaglit lang kami sa Chinatown, bibili ng food. And then, pupunta kami Central Park, which is malayo dito. Okay. So, 8 minutes walk to Chinatown. And based sa Google Map, parang mali yung daanan namin. Wait. I think mali yung daanan namin. Babalik kami. 8 minutes walk.
I'm going to be totally honest.
Ng pagkain. Ayan. Asan na yung mga sesame balls? What's this? I forgot. The chicken dumplings. Malalaki siya. So, we bought it. And then, ngayon naman, so, bumili na kami ng dalawang sesame balls na malalaki, large, and then, ano yung binili natin? Chicken meatballs. And then, pupunta kami dito, bibili kami ng, ano to? Hot matcha, something. seafoods din dito. Para lang siyang Quiapo or Chinatown sa Pilipinas. It's just like market.
Oh, city.
So, we're here at the Chinatown na. Kakain lang siguro kami ng noodles. Bibili ng boba tea. At pupunta na ng Central Park. Saan kaya magandang tea? I think yung sugar box bubble tea. Pero maraming sugar. And then, meron lychee ice cream. Bili tayong bubati. No worries. Pati ating malakas. So, maraming pila dito. Mukhang maganda. Ng lychee ice cream. Lychee ice cream. Come on. Mahaba eh. Mahaba eh. Saan ba? Mahal din pala, oh.
Pizza we only in the first way. Why don't you get okay, I want the really crisp, right? This one.
Bili kami ng lychee sorbet ice cream. Gusto ko lang siyang tikman.
That is disgusting.
I've been there. It's pretty solid.
No? Yeah.
The chlorophyll gets our TV to the color half, which means that the more chlorophyll, the more riper the colors would get for the TV. So upon stating for that, let's go back to our 5 roasting levels. You guys can see that each of our 5 roasting levels, each of them has their own unique color, including their distinctive name. Right? So can you guys guess why we name our 5 roasting levels?
Ano masasabi mo sa milk tea?
Masarap siya. Kahit no sugar, creamy. Itong ice cream ng Chinatown, lychee flavor, sobrang tamis. So, nandito na kami sa big bus. Nakasakay. Babalik kami ng Times Square para sumakay ng blue bus papuntang Central Park. Medyo late na kasi dapat full day or half day man lang kami doon. But since pumunta pa kami ng Chinatown, nag-food trip, medyo late na. So, this is the Brooklyn Bridge. Galing kami dyan kahapon. Sobrang daming tao sa Brooklyn Bridge. And that's the Brooklyn Bridge. We're still in the bus. This is Pier 57, and Chelsea Market is in this area. Pero hindi kami bababa today, wala na kaming time kasi pupunta pa kami sa Central Park, which is 3 PM na ngayon. Weather is nice. Hindi siya malamig ngayon. Unlike kahapon, sobrang lamig. Things to do in Central Park. Pero hindi ito ang way. So here. The Ang ganda.
Alright, I'm gonna get my daddy's one.
So, nandito tayo sa Central Park pa din. Pupunta tayo sa castle. Ayun, ang ganda ng falls. Let's go. Where's my mic? Mamaya pag may time, magbo-boat kami. Pero pupunta muna kami sa castle. Kasi magdidilim na. Hindi na mainit ngayon, so it's better. Okay, ang ganda. Para siyang totoong mountain, may falls. May falls siya. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng falls. Very refreshing. I think totoong falls siya. Oo. Then, pupunta na kami sa castle.
Everything okay?
See, that's May Man.
We're like,
So,
do you ever get into that?
kaya maganda dito sa park. Come on. So, 4 more minutes. Pupunta na tayo sa castle. This way. Pag na ako, kanina pa kami naglalakad. Sobrang layo pala ng Central Park. No, from the other side of Central Park. Parang 1 hour naglalakad sa Central Park pa lang. Aside pa yung from Times Square. Buti hindi na mainit, malamig na. Okay, so 4 more minutes. Pupunta na tayo sa casa. Ano daw yan? Maraming nagja-jogging dito. Ayan. Pero nakakapagod kasi para siyang mountain. Pataas. Okay, so 3 more minutes. Sana makita na natin yung castle para makapag-snacks na tayo at makapag-boat pa. Sana hindi umulan kasi kagabi umulan. Yun, nandun kami sa top of the rock. So, ilang minutes? 3 more minutes. Maganda siya. Parang hiking din, no? Parang hiking. Sobrang laki ng Central Park. I think I can see the castle now. Here, 2 more minutes. Sobrang useful ng Google Map sa New York. Okay. Still going up. Here, open daily, pero sarado na siya. Magpapapicture na lang tayo kasi 5:18 na. So, hanggang 5 lang siya. Okay, ang ganda ng climate dito. Right? Hindi sobrang lamig katulad kahapon, pero hindi siya mainit. So, ang daming squirrel pa din naglalaro. Okay. Ayun, malapit na kami. 2 more minutes. It's so cute.
How far is your lunch? How far are you get to your lunch? Is it the building? Yeah, so I'm... Oh,
Okay. 2 more minutes. Malamig na.
And you can't, like, something that I learned from my brother is like,
There's a castle. We're still in Central Park. So what's that castle called? That's Belvedere Castle.
see that camera?
Okay.
I know a shortcut.
gas.
Keep going. Baba.
Oh! Where are you guys going?
Wait, why is it making
So Belvedere Castle. May station to. Baka mahulog yung car. Ang ganda. Let's go back there. Ito na pala yun. Even start to rain na daw. Paano pag umulan? Start to rain. Come on, let's keep on.
Stationary. You gotta be moving if you track it. Stationary.
So, uwi na tayo. Bye-bye Central Park. Umuulan na din. So, uuwi na tayo. Kasi umuulan na rin. Pero may mga nagbabangka pa. Sana magbabangka kami. Kaso lang, malamig at umuulan na. Pero, lapit tayo doon. Tignan natin. Kasi favorite ko yan. Favorite namin mamangka. Parang Baguio. Dati namangka kami. Ayan. So, ang maganda. So, merong kumakanta, gumagawa ng DJ dito. Ang ganda ng ano dito. Ang ganda. Look at that. Oh, yung bridge. Nandoon tayo kanina. Doon kayo dumaan. Wala naman sigurong ano dito, no? Crocodile. Katulad sa Florida. Ayun. Ang ganda. Tsaka yung climate. We're heading home. Strawberry field. Ayan, dito binaril si John Lennon sa strawberry field kasi yung apartment niya dito lang, walking distance katapat lang. So dito siya binaril sa strawberry field. So parang tribute sa kanya to. Ayan. So this is the strawberry field.
I remember talking for 2.
Vegetarian siya. Ahi tuna burger with coleslaw. And then the other one, yung vegetable, no, not vegetable. I forgot the name of it. Parang something like claw burger. Pero, ayan. May pagka, wala rin siyang meat. Hindi siya meat. And then yung side niya is coleslaw. Ayan. So, mas yummy siya. Malaki din naman. And then, syempre healthy. Ayoko ng chips. So, pinili namin na coleslaw. And aside from this, meron ding nachos. Na chips with spinach. Ito yung spinach na dip. So, healthy siya. Titikman na lang natin. Going to open it. Here. So, Burgerology. May study pala ng burger ngayon. Burgerology. And then this is... Ayan, spinach dip. Ididip dyan yung chips. So, tingnan natin kung masarap.